Hello there, I'm here, your e-commerce growth expert. Today, I'm thrilled to walk you through the process of creating captivating product pages on Shopify. We'll be utilizing the Kiwi Size Chart app for accurate and seamless size guides, and we're spicing things up a bit with a pre-order feature using Pre-Order Now. But before we get started, let's keep it simple with a few quick tips for crafting eye-catching product pages. One of the most important things to remember is to keep your product descriptions clear, short, and convincing, highlighting features your customers will love. Use sharp, high-resolution images to showcase your products from different angles. Feature a noticeable Add to Cart or Pre-Order Now button with persuasive language. You can also boost trust by adding genuine customer reviews and testimonials. And lastly, ensure your product pages look great on mobile devices. By focusing on these 5 elements, you can create product pages that effectively communicate the value of your products, engage visitors, and drive conversions. Now let's create a product page. Go ahead and log into your Shopify account. From your Shopify dashboard on the left side, click on Products. This is where all the magic happens. Click the Add Product button to create a new listing for your product. Once you're here, fill in the basics. Start by giving your product a catchy title and a detailed description. Once you're done, upload high-resolution images of your product. Clear and vibrant pictures help customers visualize what they're buying. Set a reasonable price and manage your inventory. Nothing's worse than falling in love with a product and finding out it's out of stock. Add variants to your products. Once done, make sure your product is available in your online store and other channels. Now click Save. To make things even better for customers, let's throw in a size chart for accurate sizing using Kiwi Size Chart and Recommender. It's super easy, just follow these simple steps. Go to the App Store and install Kiwi Size Chart on your store. In the app, click the Add New Size Chart button, which opens up some ready-to-use size charts, making it super easy for you to kickstart things instantly. Now add a name to your size chart and be sure to tweak it according to your sizes. This ensures you're providing accurate sizing information for your customers. After that, pick matching conditions and specify them to ensure the size chart appears only on the specific products you want. Once you're finished, save your changes and you should now see the size chart on the product. For more detailed steps and setup instructions, check out our other videos. Now let's spice it up with the pre-order option. After installing the Pre-Order Now app, enable the Theme App Embed using the Enable link in Step 2. This can be found on the app's homepage. This automatically turns on the Theme App Embed on the theme editor. All you need to do is just to save this change. Now back in the app, scroll down to the Getting Started section and use the product search to find the product. When you find the product that we just created, click Edit to see the variants. Then just switch on the pre-order option for the variant. Click Save. Now head to the settings at the top. Scroll down to the third option labeled Stock and turn on the Inventory Management option. After that, choose between the 2 methods. In this example, we're going with Method 1, where the pre-order button shows only when the inventory is above 0 and is disabled when the inventory reaches 0. Scroll down and click Save. That's it, you're all done. Once everything has been set up, hit the preview from your product to see how your product page looks like. Make sure everything is visually appealing and easy to understand. And before launching, do a test order to ensure the size chart and pre-order process works smoothly. You don't want any surprises when the real customers started rolling in. Congratulations! You now have an eye-catching product page with a Kiwi Size Chart and a stylish Pre-Order Now button. Your customers will love the seamless experience and your products are ready to fly off the virtual shelves. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, everyone.